A Galaxy S24 may experience ghost touch issues due to hardware problems such as a malfunctioning touchscreen or water damage, or software issues like glitches or outdated firmware. Let's dive into the solutions. The first step is to restart your Galaxy S24. A simple reboot can often fix temporary software glitches that may be causing unregistered inputs. To do this, press and hold the power button and the volume down key until the power options show up on the screen. Tap Restart, wait for your device to reboot, and then see if the ghost touches have stopped. The second step is to ensure your software is up to date. Regular system updates often include improvements for touch functionality. To check for updates, navigate to Settings, then Software Update. Tap Download and install. If an update is available, install it, and then check if the ghost touches have ceased. The third step is to adjust the touch sensitivity settings. If you're still having issues with unregistered inputs, try disabling the touch sensitivity feature. Navigate to Settings, select Display, and then toggle off touch sensitivity. We also recommend turning off accidental touch protection if it's enabled. After making these changes, check if the issue has been resolved. If the problem persists, it might be time to get your phone inspected by a professional. We hope this guide has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.